Hello and welcome. Thanks for joining me. This capture will demonstrate the EpochSync tool's ability to synchronize changes from an ESRI file geodatabase to Smallworld. As this is a continuation of the previous captures, I will be using the same sessions and environments. So let's begin. As you can see, this is where we left our EpochSync GUI, exposed Smallworld datasets, table mappings, file geodatabase information. But now we need to reverse the process. So to do so, we will select the Import to Smallworld tab, connect to the database. We can see here what we have at the destination data set. We're going to be looking at Red Electrica. Now, now we need to load the table definitions. And we see that it is coming out of the same file geodatabase that we've been working in. For this demonstration, we will focus again only on the primary geometry feature classes in the ESRI file geodatabase. So we select the feature classes we want to map and bring them over. Again, we'll take the next primary feature class, create the mapping, and the final primary feature class to create the mapping. Okay, so we can see here that everything's ready to go. Pretty quick and simple, right? We'll minimize this. Now, this is where we were working before. And let's say that we need to get this point back in line. This is supposed to be snapped to the end of this piece of primary. So to do so, let's begin editing. We wish to edit the point layer here. That's okay. We'll keep going. So now we should be editing. Basically what we want to do is take this guy right here and just snap it back in place. Okay. So let's stop the edits, save them. Looks like we're done. Now we can see that this has not been changed on this side. Still disconnected. Again, for the purposes of this demonstration, created a batch file. Simple command, executable, action, dataset. This should facilitate bringing back the changes to Smallworld from ESRI that we just made. So let's run it and see what happens. Should be wrapping up fairly quickly here. There we go. We brought the change back into Smallworld. Now, again, we've snapped this point back to this line. Let's see what we have here. We can see now, yes indeed, that has been snapped right back into place. That pretty much shows the bidirectionality of the EpochSync tool. So in the last 3 videos, including this one, we've shown how to set up your initial mappings based on an area defined in Smallworld, send changes from Smallworld to ESRI, and send changes from ESRI back to Smallworld. Thanks for your time.